Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Audi Q7 with its key. First, familiarize yourself with your Audi key fob. It contains a hidden physical key blade, essential for manual entry. You will need to locate the small release button on the fob to access this blade. Then, identify the keyhole on the driver's side door handle, which is often discreetly placed. This method is crucial for situations where the remote function isn't working. To manually unlock your Audi Q7, begin by carefully removing the metal key blade from its housing within the key fob. This usually involves pressing a small release button and sliding the blade out. Next, insert the exposed key blade into the keyhole on the driver's door handle. Gently turn the key approximately 1/4 turn clockwise. You should feel the lock mechanism engage, allowing you to open the door. If your remote key fob isn't working, first check its internal battery. A dead fob battery is a common reason for remote unlocking failure. Also, consider if your vehicle's main battery might be low or dead, as this can affect the central locking system. In these situations, the manual key blade is your most dependable solution. It provides direct mechanical access, bypassing any electronic issues, ensuring you can always get into your Audi Q7. To ensure your key fob always works reliably, it's a good practice to replace its battery every 2 to 3 years. Most Audi Q7 key fobs use a standard CR2032 coin cell battery, which is widely available. Replacing it is usually a simple process, often requiring just a small flathead screwdriver to open the fob. Always refer to your Audi Q7 owner's manual for the precise steps and battery type for your specific model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.